What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Hopefully you can see me a little bit better. Try to put a little bit more light in here. I noticed that the previous videos I've made it's pretty dark. But anyways, today we're going to be working on the BMW 335i relating to headlight restoration. We're going to be working on trying to make it look like new again. So I purchased a kit to help me with this. I'm actually going to leave the link down below if you're interested. It's a whole kit to help you restore your headlight completely. And yeah, let me show you how it looks. So what you're looking at is the kit minus the paper towel, water bottle, and the drill. So they gave you different levels, I guess, different type of sanded material. So you're gonna start with this one, and it's gonna be a finer. So this is like P500, this is like P800, this is like 3000 right here. You're gonna use that, and then last but not least, you're gonna use this as a buffer along with some compound right here, just to have to buff it out to make it look nice and shiny and clean. They also provide you with a tool, so you can have these to apply these on it, like here, and then you're gonna use this to connect to your drill in here. So outside the kit, you're gonna need a drill, you're gonna need paper towel or clean rag, and then you're gonna need a bottle of water, spray bottle of water. I'm using one of my old bottles. I put some water in it just to, you know, whatever. This is what you need pretty much. That, and last, you need some patience. You take your time and get through it, because you want to get as much as all the imperfections on the surface of the headlight. So this is the headlight we're gonna be working on. This is the driver's side, and it's not really that bad. It's not yellow or anything like that, but if you take a closer look, you can see all these little like imperfections and whatever, these stuff that stick onto the plastic. If you put your hand on it, you can see that, you can feel the inconsistency and how rough it is, and it goes all the way across. Some areas a little bit more obvious than others. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see how, like, right here is really rough, and then over here is a little bit smoother. So we're gonna be even all of this out to make it look nice and clean. So let me show you how it looks after you're done. This headlight is better than it was before. As you can see, I haven't even put my hand across. See how, you can hear how smooth it is. There's no excessive like stuff on the headlight plastic, no materials or nothing like that. It's just smooth. And the driver's side, you can tell that there's a difference, and you feel a difference. So let's get down to it. So before we start, you want to make sure you get this surface area as clean as possible. Any excessive, like, you know, dirt, grime, grease, whatever, just go ahead and get that nice and clean. I already done this already. You can use like a glass cleaner with some paper towel. You can use a little bit of the water to spray around it, and just go ahead and get any extra dirt off this, because you're definitely gonna need to do that. So we're gonna start with this yellow one. Like I mentioned, this is like a 500 P500. So we're gonna start with this one. So let's go ahead, spray this up, nice and lubricated. So when you begin, you want to make sure you keep this surface area as flat as possible. You don't want to have it cornered like here or here. You want to keep it as flat as possible and consistent all the way through. So let's go ahead and do that. Get a little water here. So after a while, this is gonna pretty much smooth out. You can test it. You put your finger here. It's really smooth, so it does its job. So all you gotta do is take this off, and you're gonna get another one. So feel free to use as much as you need, because trust me, they give you more than enough. So next we're going for the P800. So pretty much the same process. Wet the headlight, a little water here, same process throughout. So I just finished with the second step of the whole process. It does look really bad right now. It makes it feel like it almost looks like it's getting worse, but for what I understand, it's gonna be like that until you do the finishing touches. I will say this, I've noticed the feeling of it and it's actually smoother. Next step is using this piece right here. I don't know what this is. Let me go look. 3000. So you're gonna install this one on your drill. Install this bad boy in your drill, and you're doing the same thing again, just like the other two steps. Apply water on the headlight. A little bit on here, and then pretty much same process like I said before. Be gentle, go through it. So let's see how it turns out with this one. Alright, so I removed this and I placed the last step which is this buffer, and we put the compound as I mentioned. Now when you apply it, you want to spread it first. So I went ahead, so you should go ahead and spread it as far as you can. Didn't really need to put too much of it. You can put a little. I think I put a little bit too much, but you just want to spread it out as evenly as possible throughout the headlight. And then same process. And wipe it off. You can see how clean it is. Touch the hand to touch is really smooth throughout, and it just looks way cleaner than before. I am super happy with this. I might try and buff it out one last time, just to kind of give it a better finish. But that's pretty much it, guys. This is how it's gonna look when you use the kit. I like it. I think it's great. Hopefully this will be helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. Peace.